Hello, my name is Karagolova Merim. I'm a teacher of Satkynbay Tentishev Asian Medical Institute. Satkynbay Tentishev Asian Medical Institute it is a single institute in Kyrgyzstan which provides high quality education which is 100% free of corruption. It is very important in teaching future doctors because from their knowledge, from their skills, will depend their patients' lives. That is why it is very important to give high quality education, to study well, to work hard. So that is why use your time for studies, for improving your skills, for deepening your knowledge, and for enlarging your scope. So let's start our lesson of Latin, and today we are talking about degrees of adjective. You know that Latin adjective, like English, has 3 degrees of comparison: modus positivus, modus comparativus, and modus superlativus. All adjectives are given in positivus masculinum form. All other gender, number, case, and degree forms have to be constructed. Before constructing comparativus or superlativus forms of adjective, we need to indicate stem or base of adjective. Stem or base. It is unchanged and repeating part of adjective in all gender, number, and case forms. So, how to indicate stem of adjective? For this, first we need to construct all gender forms. Second, to remove gender endings us, er, a, is, e. And after removing these gender endings, remained and repeating part will be stem of adjective. So let's see examples. First, constructing all gender forms. Longus. You know that gender forms are constructed by changing us to endings a and longa, longum. Dexter, for constructing female and neutral forms, are to be changed to ra and rum. Dexter, dextra, dextrum. Brevis, you know, second group adjective, masculinum, femininum forms are same. Brevis, brevis. For constructing neutrum form, we use ending e, breve. And in case of exception, you know, e letter must be kept in all gender forms, like liber, libera, liberum. So first step done, we constructed all gender forms. Second step, we need to remove gender endings. Us, er, a, is, e. So second step done, we have removed gender endings. After this, we just see what is remained and repeating, like long, long, long. Long is repeating 3 times, so it will be stem of adjective. Dext, dexter, dexter. As you see, dexter is being repeated twice, so it means stem will be dexter. Brev, brev, brev. So did you indicate stem? Yes, brev. Lib, liber, liber. What is stem? Yes, liber. Liber repeated twice, that is why it will be stem. So now you know how to indicate stem of adjective. So stems are indicated and we can study constructing comparatives. For this purpose, we use following structures. Stem plus ior for comparatives masculinum and femininum. Stem plus ius for comparatives neutrum. and stem plus ioris for genitivus, comparativus, all gender forms. So let's see examples. For masculinum, femininum, we use same structure, stem plus ior. Do you remember stems? Long, Dexter, bref, and liber. Now we just add ior suffix to these stems and we will get comparativus male-female forms, longior, dexterior, brevior, liberior. For comparativus neutrum, we use stem plus ius and longius, dextrius, brevius, liberius. For genitivus, all genders will be same form. Stem plus ioris structure is used. Longioris, dextrioris, brevioris, liberioris. Nota bene, pay attention. Some Latin adjectives, they construct their comparatives out of rules. And we must learn and remember these exceptions and to use their comparativus forms as ready-made forms. So, first exception is bonus, good, in positive degree. 3 forms, bonus, bona, bonum. In comparativus, masculinum, femininum, melior. Neutrum, melius. Comparativus genitivus, melioris, of better. So bonus, bona, bonum will be good for 3 gender forms. Melior, better, male, female. Melius, better for neutral. And melioris, of better. Okay, malus, mala, malum. 3 gender forms of positive, bad. Then peior, masculinum, femininum for worse. Peius, neutrum for worse. Peioris, of worse. Genitivus comparativus. Next example will be magnus, magna, magnum. Big or great. 3 gender forms in positivus. In comparative, bigger or greater, male, female, major. Neutral, maius. Comparativus genitivus will be majoris, of bigger, of greater. Parvus, parva, parvum, small or little. Comparativus, male, female will be minor, less or smaller. Neutrum will be minus and minoris will be genitivus form. So meaning of minoris will be of, lesser, of, smaller. One more exception. Some Latin adjectives, they do not have positive degree and they are given in comparativus form. They must be also remembered and learned. These exception adjectives are inferior, inferius, inferioris, superior, superius, superioris, anterior, anterius, anterioris, and posterior, posterius, posterioris. These adjectives, they do not have positive forms and used in comparative degree. Now constructing superlatives. For constructing superlatives in nominativus, we use structures. So for adjectives ending with us, is, we use structure stem plus isim and plus gender endings us, a, It means for masculinum superlativus, you will use stem plus issimus. For femininum, stem plus issima. For neutrum, stem plus issimum. If adjective has ending er, in this case, we will use another structure. Stem plus rim plus gender endings us, a, So for masculinum, stem plus rimus. For femininum, stem plus rima. For neutrum, stem plus rimum. Okay, so long is stem of longus, adjective ending with us. It means for long we use first structure, stem plus issim. So masculinum will be longissimus, femininum longissima, neutrum longissimum. Brev, it is stem of brevis, adjective with ending is. For this, also we use structure stem plus issim. So, masculinum superlativus brevissimus, femininum superlativus brevissima, and neutrum superlativus brevissimum will be. Okay, next, Dexter. It is stem of Dexter, adjective with ending er. It means we use second structure, stem plus rim. So, superlativus masculinum dextrimus, femininum dextrima, neutrum dextrimum. Same with liber, which is stem of adjective with ending er, liber. It means again we will use second structure, stem plus rim. So liberimus, liberima, and liberimum will be. Okay, again, exceptions. Some Latin adjectives construct their superlatives also out of rules. And we learn and remember these ready-made superlatives forms also. So you know that in positives we have bonus, good for masculinum, bona, good for femininum, bonum, good for neutrum. In superlative form, best, the best will be optimus, masculinum, the best femininum, optima, the best neutrum, optimum. Malus, bad for male, mala, bad for female, malum, bad for neutral. The worst, masculinum pessimus, femininum pessima, and the worst, neutrum will be pessimum. Magnus, big or great for male, magna for female, magnum for neutral. And the biggest or the greatest, masculinum maximus, femininum maxima, neutrum maximum. Next exception adjective is parvus, little or small. For masculinum parvus, for femininum parva, for neutrum parvum. So the smallest or the least, masculinum minimus, femininum minima, and neutrum will be minimum. So guys, today I taught you how to indicate stem of adjective and how to construct comparative and superlative forms of Latin adjectives. And also we discussed some exception adjectives. I hope that my video lesson was for you useful and informative. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.